Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here from Heinen's Grocery Stores, and I'm getting ready to show you how easy it is to pickle food. It tastes delicious, and it's a fantastic way to preserve fresh produce. Pickling and canning food has been around for generations. When all of that fresh produce came out of the field, they couldn't eat all of it, so they pickled and canned it and saved it for those winter months. Like I said before, this is a great way to preserve your food. The first thing we need to do is make a very simple brine. In a large pot, we're gonna add in some distilled vinegar, some water. Next, we're gonna hit it with some garlic powder. You could use fresh garlic cloves if you'd like. Mustard seeds, a little bit of sea salt. Next, we're gonna hit it with some sugar and some crushed red pepper flakes for a nice little zip. And let me stop and say this, there are tons of other ingredients that you can add in here. Allspice berries, cinnamon sticks. You could use fresh dill if you want that dill pickle style flavor. Get creative. This is a very basic pickling brine. It's gonna work for every single thing though. So get creative again, have some fun. Now what we're gonna do is head over to that cooktop. We wanna turn it on high heat. We wanna bring it to a nice rolling boil and make sure all of those ingredients are completely cooked together and the sugar and the salts are absorbed into the liquid. Once it is to this consistency, we're gonna take the pot off the burner, bring it right over the countertop. I've got an assortment of vegetables that I wanna pickle. I've got some cauliflower, baby carrots, red onions, green beans, but feel free again to get creative. Maybe you just want to start off with some pickling cucumbers, get your feet wet before you start pickling some of these other ingredients. Now what we want to do is let the brine completely cool to room temperature. Once you've hit that point, simply twist the top onto the jar, put it in the refrigerator. It will be perfect to serve up the next day, and this will last up to 8 weeks in your refrigerator. Now to do a more comprehensive pickling, maybe you want to eat it off the shelf next year. What you would do is just put the top on as soon as you pour the brine in, and you would submerge it in boiling water until that lid pops. You'll hear it every single time, you can't miss it. Then let it cool to room temperature, put it on your shelf, a nice dry cool place that's dark, and you can serve it up to 1 year later. For me, I eat these pretty quick. That's why this perfect chilled 8-week brine is excellent for me. So easy to do, just like you saw. You will have so much fun doing this. Please get creative, and we'll see you next time.